Hey guys, it's Derek from the Olive Oil Co. You know, we are so excited and we just love the thyme oil so much that we are doing it for another video in succession. Don't worry though, I'm not going to subject you to any more thyme jokes. There's just no time for it. But we are making apple and thyme pork steaks. As per usual, it is time to go over the ingredients. Obviously, you will need the thyme olive oil and the Red Apple Dark Balsamic. This is a beautiful apple flavor in this, guys. It's all natural again. So you'll need these two, and we're going to work on our marinade. Before we do though, we are using some beautiful pork butt chop steaks. This is again from a farm supported by Niku Farms that if you go to the link in our description, you can check out local Ontario farms and find whatever kind of meats you're looking for according to the farm. It is pesticide free, GMO free, they're fed everything natural. It is what meat should taste like, guys. So let's get to our marinade now. All right, to start with our marinade, we are going to grab our thyme olive oil. You'll need 1/3 cup of that. Then you'll need 1/4 cup of the Red Apple Dark Balsamic. It smells amazing together already. You will need 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. Then you will also need 1 teaspoon each of salt and fresh cracked black pepper. So let's get those guys in here. Once that's all in, you want to grab a whisk and just combine. It smells so good. So now that our marinade has come together nicely, we are going to take 1 shallot that I've sliced up nice and thin. We're just going to toss this in the marinade too. If only you could smell this marinade right now. This smells fantastic. All right, now that this is all mixed together, let's get this on our pork. All right, so our butt chops are ready. I'm just going to take our marinade. I'm even going to lift up these just a little bit just to get some marinade underneath them. Pour some of that there. And take the rest of the marinade, pour it right on top. Take our spatula, get the rest of this out. You really want these to be submerged in the marinade, fully coated, so start with that. Beautifully covered. All right, I'd say these are good. I'm just gonna get a top on this. All right, now the top's on there. You can marinate this for up to overnight for hours. So I'm just gonna toss this in the fridge and we will see you guys tomorrow. All right, it's the next day. Still need a few hours though, because we're not making this in the morning, we're making this at night, but yeah. All right, so we've taken our chops out of the fridge. What you want to do at this point is you want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. You also want to take some paper towel and just kind of clean and scrape off the marinade off the chops. At that point, the next thing you want to do is you just want to season with some salt and pepper. And once that's done, you can take it over to your oven. And once your oven's preheated, slide these guys in, and you want to bake them for 20 minutes. Hello! I get to say hello with a brand new set of these guys. Does it clash with my outfit? I'm just gonna pull these out. The 20 minutes has gone off. Oh, smell of that. Oh my goodness, it smells amazing. So what we're gonna do actually is we're gonna take these, we're just gonna flip them over. Look at that juice, nice and juicy chops. We're gonna flip them over and then we are going to broil in the oven, and we're just gonna keep an eye on them because we don't want them to get too brown. We're just gonna get some nice extra color on this. So I'll see you guys in just a few minutes. Ooh, all the smells, the smells. So our sides, we actually did a couple other recipes that are on our website. Actually, just an easy thing to do with your carrots is to you can sweeten them with some cara, orange, vanilla, white balsamic, and we used our butter oil for these guys. For the potatoes, we did a recipe from the website that includes the lemon olive oil and the oregano balsamic. I'm gonna put the recipes, links to those in the description below. But first, let's get a taste of this pork chop. Pork steak, I should say. Let's get, oh, that just fell right away from that. Look at that. Again, that thyme oil is fabulous. With the red apple balsamic, this is a perfect recipe for any time of year, especially maybe in the fall. We're going to enjoy this dinner. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and this recipe. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, and we will see you guys next time. Well, it's time to go over our ingredients. First, you will obviously need the thyme olive oil. I said that kind of weird. All right, now this is